Good morning, everyone. Respectable Honorable Chief Minister, sir, respectable IT Minister, sir, all the esteemed dignitaries on the dais, all the esteemed dignitaries sitting on the podium, as well as my friends and my colleagues. So my name is Lokesh Lohiya. I lead the state governments and public sector units for Google Cloud in India perspective. While Google doesn't need a lot of introduction because we use Google services every day, but some data points, right? We have like 9 Google services, right? And each of these services have 1 billion users logging in every day, right? So that's like total of 9 billion users, which is more than the world's population. Of course, there are concurrent users there. But the important part is that Google has been delivering technology services from decades now. The AI or artificial intelligence, which is the big buzz today, helping to deliver a lot of solutions. Google has been delivering that for the last, I would say, 20 years, right? The Google search started using artificial intelligence. And the base technology today, which the artificial intelligence is working, right, has been innovated or invented by Google. But what we have done, right, from India perspective and particularly from government perspective. So 1.5 years back, of course, we signed a MOU with the government of India. And there is a motion that we are driving now, which is called as 1G or One Google. So all the Google prominent solutions or technology, Google Search, Google Map, YouTube, Android, and Google Cloud, and all so on, right? We have actually combined this and have started building solutions for government, for citizens. We also created something called as a state digital transformation using or leveraging AI. And under that, what we have done is we have built some 50 plus assets. That's what we call as AI assets. These assets are basically to deliver seamless collaboration and communication between government and citizens, which are citizen services, help improve the productivity of government employees, help reduce cost, and most important, create more opportunities and jobs, right, for the local citizens. So as a step one, what we do, we know that a technology is null and void unless there is skills for technology on the ground. So we have launched Google's AI skilling and Google technical skilling program through Google Skill Boost program, where we offer 2,000 plus courses, and these are all curated. There are hundreds of thousands of courses, but 2,000 courses that we have identified, which are relevant from today's India's scenario. And this is something that Google is offering, and I will be very, very pleased, to work with the government of Mizoram to offer Google training courses. These training courses are not just included for the citizens, but it also includes for government employees. And the way we have curated is that what should be the ideal courses for government employees, what should be for SMEs, what should be for higher education, and so on. What next we have also done is to deliver this solution or build these solutions, you would require, for example, a center of excellence, right, where all the innovation happens, where the startups, government employees, students comes in, collaborates and builds solutions for the state. So Google has built something called as an AI Center of Excellence in partnership with MIT and AI Mission, where we have built a complete end-to-end solution to set up a COE in a state, right? And of course, that is something also, we can work with the government of Mizoram to build the Center of Excellence. And I think that's also part of the AI mission that is going on from the center. Next, what we have done is, we know that the domains play very critical, especially in Indian environment. So we have picked some critical domains, right, which touches the maximum mass of the population. So for example, we have built something called as Google for Education, right, where right from student, teachers, their journey path, complete classroom management and so on, we have built the solutions around that. Google for Health. Of course, Google for Health is providing a lot of services based on their research. So we have identified few of the diseases like tuberculosis, cancer, diabetes, and so on. There's a lot of research that is happening for last many years for India. Now, a lot of this data are available. We are providing that at no cost, right, to the governments, which can be used for hospitals, doctors, research institutes, and so on. And that's work, whatever I'm saying, of course, these are work in progress in many parts of the country. We have built Google for Agriculture, Again, covering the complete life cycle of an agriculture part, for public safety, which can be used for both from safety and security perspective, as well as traffic management, disaster management, and so on. Of course, there's a long list. I think my colleague, of course, who is going to present later, will be covering a little bit on the detail on the same. So what typically we would want is a lot of partnership from the government side, from the citizen side, and cross states, of course. We bring our expertise, global as well as local. What we are working in other states, of course, we bring that expertise and experience that we can be more than pleased to deliver in Mizoram. So that's a brief from me. Of course, we will have more detailed presentation from Google coming in. And of course, I will be here for any question and answers that will come out. Thank you so much.